So this is how I bathe my twins. Hi, Blakey. Are you loving your bath time? Hello. Let's see Beckett. Hi, Beckett. Bex. Hi, Bubby. Do you love your bath? Mommy loves you. Oh. Hi, baby. You all are so handsome. Do you love bath time? Yes. What's gonna happen when you two get too big to fit together? What's Mommy gonna do then? Oh, look at my beautiful bubbies. Oh. Hi, Beckett. Hi, Bex. Hi, beautiful bubby. Blakey. Hi, Bubby. Oh, is Beckett kicking you? Beckett, don't kick your brother. Oh, you're putting your hand under the water? That is neat. Hi, Bubby. Mommy loves you. Blakey. Blake. Beckett. Hi. Hi, Beck. Hi, Bubby. Oh. Oh, look at my bubbies. Hey.